So what can I say to you? Okay, y'all, so we're about to make our rice cake and our noodles. We already got the water going. We got our cake. Y'all, I'm so excited. So this is the carbonara flavor. I was gonna use the rub ones, but one is just regular spicy chicken flavor, and this one is like cheese. And I think I want the cheese effect, so I'm going to be making my rice cake. I'm sorry, I really be watching this girl eat these things. They were frozen. I think they come frozen.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes.
And after, and this is the hot sauce. This is the sauce, and this is the powder.
No, I just make songs. Who am I to sound us how this shit goes? Sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't end up. You don't even know the man. Who said it's gonna even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. Oh, sorry I say that. Fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? And what we see ain't what it seems for. Is girl, what is love? What's that? What is love? Girl, we see ain't what. So we added cheese because it's spicy. I hope it's not too spicy, but the cheese is supposed to cool it down, so it's just good. And I didn't rub the eggs in it, so you can eat it. I'm scared. She's making it look so good. El pan. You see the white cake? The rice cakes? No, that's what I wanted to try. Well, they really get the flavor from the sauce. So because I know I like the noodles, I felt like I would like them. It's just the texture. Like I never had a rice. Okay. Wait, I got a spoon. The mic to connect to my phone. Then you can hear it. Should you be doing that now? Okay. Oh. Well, the rice cake is exactly the texture I thought it was gonna be. No, it's not. It's rice cake. It's literally made out of rice. So it's like chewy. So when they would chew it, it's like. I like it. Yeah, it's chewy kind of like lobster meat, but it's more like a little bit different. I don't know what to compare it to. I'm gonna try one. Yeah. You have to put your feet in if you want. Or you want to be on it.
But I was too ashamed.
Oh. Yeah, the cheese cools it down because it was mad spicy last time.
It's not that simple anymore. I understand. I have a lot of work to do. These are deep-seated issues. But I know they seem serious charges. But if you can put them on hold,
the cheese is cheesy.
it would give me a chance to save my
Ooh, I just put mozzarella on top. They always like sprinkle mozzarella and they let it melt. And
If I don't feel image is a mandatory 5-year bid, we'll get the maximum. 20 to 30. the people who produce these images. I would call the feds on that. You realize these people never touched the shots.
I already knew.
Yeah.
None for you, honey.
Transition point to explore other opportunities. Terrorism into higher profile.
Okay. The little spicy, but it's not that bad. It's the ASMR.
It's your decision. I know. She's good. He's not going to accept that. Thank you for meeting me, of course. People I can talk to. Understand. So much. Sending me a Google stand there. Father isn't this. Have to hide it.
I'm gonna have to say something for later. I can't even finish this noodle.
Compartmentalizing.
I'm stopped them for 12 years. And don't worry about my off.
We can make a deal. So I'm okay with it. The fees are in the registry. If I can't get in between, the feds are gonna this. Not once. There's a problem. Where?
The basics are fat, so they fill you up. Woo. Thank you. Hey y'all. Yeah, I keep going to sleep. I'm not even gonna lie. I just woke up from like my third nap. I just keep falling asleep. Like, I don't know if it's the food, the bus ride, but it's probably the fact that I stayed up overnight from like 4 to 7 and then got on the bus. So 4 to 8 and then like 9 o'clock I finally went to sleep on the bus. But up now, my noodles were mad good earlier. I realized I never finished the video because my phone died while I was eating my noodles. So I never got to give my honest review, but I think they were like 8 out of 10. I feel like it was really, really good. I just feel like I could have got more seasonings or like a sauce. It had like more seasoning flavor that rice cakes could have picked up instead of just the bulldog sauce and cheese powder. Maybe next time I'll do regular spicy chicken with the rice cakes. But yeah, it was really good. It put me to sleep, obviously. So yeah, we just woke up. We're gonna edit 2 videos and then I don't know what we're gonna do.
Sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.